Okay, student, we'll discuss potential due to a dipole on axial line, right? And dipole moment P is equal to Q into 2A. We know about it. Let's take a dipole, small dipole. Dipole is what? Two equal opposite charges separated by some distance, right? And that distance is, let's say, 2A. This is midpoint. If this distance is 2A, then this is A, this is A. Because O is midpoint, this is A, this is also A, right? We have to find out potential on the axial line. So let's draw an axial line. Let us take the point P on the axial line where we have to find out potential, right? This is A, this point is B, this is B. Now distance of the point P from this dipole, let's say this is R. All distance are measured from the midpoint. So from here we can see that our AP distance, A to P, so this is R, this is A, so A to P is what? R plus A. We know that. And also BP, so BP क्या होगा? BP is equal to, this is OPR, this is A, so R minus A is what? BP. तो BP क्या होगा हमारे पास? R minus A. At point P, due to this negative charge, potential is, let's say, V minus Q, and due to this positive charge, let's say V plus Q. And we know that potential is a scalar quantity. So net potential over here is what? V is equal to V minus Q plus V plus Q. This is our net potential. Direct scalar sum, algebraic sum, directly add them, right? Because potential is a scalar quantity, so don't worry about direction. Now potential, as we know that, what is the formula for potential? Potential is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. This is the potential due to a point charge. So due to this negative charge, potential at point P is what? V minus Q is what? This charge, this is minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and the distance between this charge and point P, yani AP, and AP is what? R plus A. R plus A. Similarly, V plus Q, due to this charge, potential is what? Positive Q, 4 pi epsilon naught, and the separation is what? BP, and BP is what? R minus A, right? So net potential is what? Direct sum. So this is what? Minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R plus A, and plus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught common out, Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, तो अंदर क्या रहेगा? 1 upon R minus A and negative of 1 upon R plus A. Right? Taking LCM over here, we get LCM is what? R square minus A square Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is what? V. LCM, तो R plus A minus R minus A. So, right? ब्रैकेट R माइनस ए, ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो माइनस का R एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस A, तो माइनस R प्लस R कैंसल आउट, तो A प्लस A इज 2A, तो हमारे पास क्या रहेगा? देयर इज, लेट्स से दिस इज 2A, राइट? तो Q into 2A, we know that Q into 2A is what? Dipole moment. तो potential is what? P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square. This is our potential. due to a dipole. And we know that A is very, very, very small than R, so A square can be neglected. तो A square को neglect करेंगे तो potential जो आएगा हमारे पास, that is what P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. And from here we can see that potential is what? Proportional to 1 upon R square. This is the potential due to an axial line, right? Due to a dipole, potential at point P lie on axial line, the potential is P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R, right? Next is our potential due to a dipole on equatorial line, right? On equatorial line. Similarly, let's take a dipole minus Q plus Q, and that is center point O. This is A, this is A. Equatorial line is what? Center point perpendicular, right? The point P is taken. We have to find out potential due to this at point P and due to this at point P. Okay, and OP is what? R. This is A and this is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras, this is what? Under root R square plus A square. This is also under root R square plus A square. A point, B point. Due to this negative charge, potential at P is what? V minus Q. Due to this positive charge, V plus Q. And we know that potential is a scalar quantity. So net potential is what? V minus Q plus V plus Q. Simple. Direct add करेंगे. Okay, potential due to negative charge is what? Potential due to this negative charge at point P is, we know that, minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and the distance between this charge and point P, AP, and AP is what? Under root R square plus A square. Right? V plus Q is what? Plus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, same R square plus A square, as VP is also the same. Right? So net potential, directly add them. Both are same term but with negative sign, and one is positive sign. So add करेंगे, that means 0. So we can say that on equatorial line potential is 0. So every point lie on this equatorial line, the potential at this point due to this dipole is 0. Right? This is equatorial line. Now find electrostatic potential due to a dipole for a general point. Let's say this is minus Q, this is plus Q, and this is the midpoint O. This is A, this is A, right? Some general point, let's say this is point P, this angle is theta at a R distance from the dipole, right? And R makes the angle theta with this dipole. Okay, and this is our BP and this is our AP. Right? So potential due to this charge at point P, similarly V minus Q, due to this charge V plus Q, and simple total potential is what? V is equal to V minus Q plus V plus Q. Okay, let's find out. Due to negative charge, potential at point P is what? Due to this charge, minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and the distance is what? AP. So AP. Okay. Now due to positive charge, positive q 4 pi epsilon naught, and the distance is BP. Displacement is BP due to positive charge. This is BP. So net potential is what? दोनों का डायरेक्ट सम, स्केलर सम, दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. क्या आएगा हमारे पास? q अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नोट, बाहर कॉमन, अंदर होगा 1 अपॉन BP पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन AP. Now to find out the value of the potential at point P, we have to find out BP and AP. कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे बीपी एंड एपी? उसके लिए हमें कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी पड़ेगी. लेट्स से दिस ओपी इज फर्दर एक्सटेंडेड एंड द परपेंडिकुलर, ड्रॉ a perpendicular on this from the point A, and this is, let's say this is A dash, right? If dipole is small, we know that A is very, very small from R. A is very, very, very small than R, means this angle, this is very small, and it's something like this, right? Then perpendicular on these lines, so these both lines are equal. From here we can see that if A is very, very less than R, then AP and A dash P both are equal. AP is equal to what? A dash P. Right? So we have to find out AP, which is equal to what? A dash P, and A dash P is what? A dash O plus OP. Means I can write it like this. AP is equal to A dash P is what? OP plus OA dash. OA dash. And we know that OP is what? OP is what? R. And OA dash from this right angle triangle. A dash O. This is theta, then this is also theta. This theta means this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, and this is base, we can say that. So I find out the value of base, and this hypotenuse is what? A. So B by H is what? Cos theta. So B by H, I can say that this is what? Cos theta. H is what? H is A, and A cos theta. तो base हमारे पास क्या है? A cos theta means A dash O is what? A cos theta. तो plus A cos theta. This is the value of AP. Right? So I write it here. AP is what? R plus A cos theta. Okay. Now let's find out BP. BP. So similarly, we have to draw a perpendicular from the point B on OP, and this is the perpendicular drawn by us. This point is B dash, right? So similarly, if A is very, very less than R, this angle is very, very less, right? Then BP and B dash P are nearly equal. BP is equal to what? B dash P. B dash P. And B dash P को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? OP minus OB dash. क्या लिख सकते हैं? OP minus OB dash. Right? This is OP. इस OP में से इसको subtract कर देंगे तो remaining is this. And we know that OP is what? OP is R and O dash B. O dash B. This is O dash B. So from this right angle triangle, this is theta. So this is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse, this is base. So we have to find out base and we know about hypotenuse. This is what? A. So B by H cos theta, A that side means A cos theta. Similarly, तो OB dash हमारे पास क्या है? A cos theta. This is what? BP. तो BP क्या है हमारे पास? BP is R minus A cos theta. Right? So now our equation becomes potential is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon BP means 1 upon R minus cos theta, sorry, R minus A cos theta and negative of 1 upon AP R plus A cos theta. Let's take LCM. LCM लेंगे तो क्या आएगा LCM? LCM आएगा V is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught as it is. LCM लेंगे, LCM होगा R square A square A plus B A minus B A square minus B square दोनों की प्रोडक्ट. तो क्या होगा? R square minus A square cos square theta. Right? This is here, this is here. So means R plus A cos theta minus R minus A cos theta and minus sign minus R plus A cos theta. Minus R plus A cos theta. R से R cancel out. And this is A cos theta plus A cos theta means 2A cos theta. So I can write it here 2A cos theta. Right? So potential is what? Q into 2A. I write it P. So P cos theta. Q into 2A is what? Dipole moment. So 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square cos square theta. And as we know that if A is very very less than R, then A square term can be neglected. So this term can be neglected. What we have? Finally we have the potential V is equal to P cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is neglected means R square. This is our potential due to a journal point, right? Let's discuss its cases. Case first, if theta is 0 degree means theta is 0 means point P lie on axial line. So cos 0 is 1. The potential is P 4 pi epsilon naught R square. सेम रिजल्ट जो हमने अभी एक्सियल लाइन से किया था, राइट? केस सेकंड, इफ थीटा इज 90 डिग्री, if theta is 90 degree means this point P lie on equatorial line, so cos 90 is what? 0. So potential is 0. This is the